In the aftermath of Cyclone Remal, incessant rainfall has wreaked havoc across the state, leading to devastating floods in numerous areas. While some locals have managed to resume normalcy, many continue to grapple with the lingering effects of the deluge. Displaced by the floods, victims find themselves seeking refuge along roadsides, makeshift tents as their only shelter. Reports of distress due to inadequate assistance are widespread. The SDRF and NDRF are actively involved in rescue and evacuation efforts to aid those affected by the floods. Chief reporter of SKTV brings you an exclusive report on the ongoing situation.
Market resumed at Koyambangatil after the flood waters receded, but several shops were observed cleaning off as they had been submerged during the flash flood triggered by incessant rainfall and the overflow of the Manipur and Imphal rivers. Although people began to move as usual along Kyathong Road as the water level subsided, certain areas such as the Manipur Press Club and the LIC building remain inundated. Additionally, a significant portion of the Kumal Nampak Sports Complex also submerged due to the flash floods. Flood-affected victims of Naringbam Maning Lekai raised concern over inadequate assistance from the government. Many have been taking shelter at roadsides using tents. However, some victims receive government relief materials including medical treatments.
Karigumam phangdi kai lekai ne phisa lairengmam lekai kaigum khai lekai tu committee wonda leji loi phangya khoi di ama phangya khoi yum tara mu sai de I garam sa ne dollar ba mayam puna ma lai thom ra mi na thom mi ne ba sai pareng je adu khoi di sing jaw na ba si da maning lekai dang chaw ro ba si to phangde karigumam mi de khoi yadre karim to phangde ai su da sida lai ni ken ai yum su da de hojik se yum chang ma yad
Rescue operation and distribution of relief materials to flood-affected victims were still continued in some areas by SDRF, NDRF and security forces. Nagaram residential area are still submerged under flood waters. Julalen and other surrounding places are also still underwater. Security forces are present here round the clock to provide necessary assistance. The SDRF, NDRF along with state and central security forces are clearing blockades of drainages. Most of the low-lying areas are still submerged underwater. Naga Nala continues to overflow. In the aftermath of floods, there is a high risk of various diseases. So a medical team is required to monitor all the flood-affected areas. This is Ketamayum Premchan reporting for SKTV News, Imphal.